A small detail can completely change the look of a bag. Today, I'm styling this elegant black handbag with my newest black Handbag charm. The glossy black finish, paired with tiny accents, adds just the right amount of personality without overpowering the bag. It's playful, yet refined, perfect for everyday luxury. This charm clips on effortlessly and moves beautifully as you carry your bag. Whether you love minimal styling or enjoy adding cute statement details, this little cat charm fits right in. Sometimes luxury isn't about big changes. It's about thoughtful details that make your bag feel uniquely yours.